Have you been wasting money on expensive engine oil without realizing it? What if the oil you trust most is actually wearing out long before your next oil change? And what if one simple habit could help your engine reach 300,000 miles or destroy it years early? After analyzing hundreds of thousands of miles of engine data, the results exposed some shocking truths that most drivers never hear. Stay until the end because the number one mistake might be hiding in your own garage. Section 1. How the 300,000-mile test was done. This wasn't a laboratory fantasy or an oil company advertisement. 3 identical Toyota engines were monitored for hundreds of thousands of miles under real driving conditions. Different synthetic oils were tested, oil samples were analyzed regularly, and every sign of wear was tracked. From metal particles to viscosity breakdown, nothing was ignored. The goal was simple: find out which oils actually protect an engine when the mileage gets serious. And the results shocked even experienced mechanics. Section 2. What happens to engines without proper oil behavior? The first warning signs appeared much earlier than expected. Some oils started losing protection after only a few thousand miles. Where metals increased, deposits formed faster and engines became noticeably noisier. Meanwhile, engines using higher quality oil remained cleaner, smoother, and showed significantly less internal wear. This revealed a truth many drivers ignore. It's not just about changing your oil. It's about what you're putting into your engine. And things got even more interesting at higher mileage. Section 3. The shocking discovery at 200,000 miles. Once the engines passed 200,000 miles, the differences became impossible to ignore. Several oils lost viscosity, additives became depleted, and sludge started forming inside critical engine components. One engine eventually suffered serious internal damage after its oil chemistry completely broke down. But the top-performing oils told a different story. They maintained protection, resisted oxidation, and kept internal parts remarkably clean. Same engine. Same driving conditions. Completely different outcome. Why? Because chemistry matters more than marketing. Section 4. The secret most drivers never hear. Here's what many people don't know. Oil doesn't fail because it gets dirty. Oil fails because its protective additives get exhausted. Think of additives as your engine's bodyguards. Once they're gone, wear accelerates quickly. That's why some oils look fine on the dipstick but are no longer providing proper protection. And there's another hidden factor making things worse. Your fuel. Ethanol-blended gasoline and short trips introduce moisture and fuel dilution into the oil, speeding up breakdown and reducing protection. In other words, your oil may be aging faster than you think. Section 5. The number one habit that extends engine life. After hundreds of thousands of miles, the biggest lesson wasn't about brands. It was about consistency. The engines that lasted the longest followed the same routine year after year. Same quality oil. Same quality filter. Same maintenance schedule. No random mixing. No skipped services. No guessing. Those engines showed dramatically lower wear and better long-term reliability. That's because consistent oil chemistry allows protective layers to build on engine components over time. And that protection adds up mile after mile. Section 6. Final verdict. If you want your engine to last 300,000 miles or more, stop focusing only on price. Choose a high-quality synthetic oil. Use a premium filter. Follow a consistent maintenance schedule. Avoid abusing a cold engine. And remember this. Engines rarely fail because of age. They fail because protection fails. Take care of the chemistry, and your engine can outlast almost anything on the road. So let me ask you, how many miles are on your vehicle right now, and what oil do you trust the most? Let me know in the comments below.